Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I came with new interesting courses which are especially for the finance and account persons. Finance and accounts subjects play a very important role. They help us in investing and spending it, patterns tracking and monitoring. Today finance analysts have a lot of demand in the market. Organizations ready to pay any amount for recruiting the employees who have full finance knowledge. So these courses today I am going to discuss particularly useful for investment banking, equity research persons, private equity, and corporate development persons. The courses which are today I am going to discuss are the well-known institute which is Corporate Finance Institute. Most finance persons are aware of this institute. This is a very big organization, and these courses are very valuable. So let's go directly to the videos. Let's go directly to the courses. The first course is how to read financial statements. Financial statements. From earlier days, we are studying income statement, profit and loss, balance sheets. This course deals with everything related to this. How to understand these statements? This course deals with this. As we discussed, we will provide the links in the description. You can directly sign up through the channel and you can directly enroll these courses for free. In this course, you can learn these things: balance sheet, income statement, profit and loss, especially these things. And coming to the second course, free Excel crash course, spreadsheet tutorial for finance. Excel is using it everywhere. Excel has very vast importance and it can be used in many ways. For finance persons also, if has knowledge about Excel, it will be quite plus point for them to have a greater impact. Excel helps in finding these income statement, balance sheet, profit and loss, and many other things to calculate in an easy way. So this course is very important course for these guys. You can learn these things: keyboard shortcuts, functions, formulas, etc. And you can also get certificate of completion. Yeah, guys, you can see that. The third course I am going to discuss is Introduction to Corporate Finance. This course is particularly helpful for those who are looking career in an investment banking, private equity firms, etc. You can learn these things, these topics: capital investment, capital financing, dividends and return of capital, etc. These are high rated courses, guys, and very valuable in the market. And next course is Financial Modeling and Valuation Analyst Certification. Those who are looking their career at the financial modeling or valuation analyst, this is a necessary course, guys. You can definitely go through it. This deals with balance sheet, income statement, statement of cash flows. And next course, sorry, this was not there, I think. And next course was Banking Products and Services. This is also important course, guys. Those who are looking at finance level, banking products, they must not need to know banking products and services in order to acquire their knowledge. These are the objectives. They can go through it. Banking for consumer, banking for business, investment banking, and corporate finance. These topics you can go detail through it, guys. If you like this course, share with your friends. If you want any kind of, if you are looking for any particular course, comment below. We will definitely try to get back to you with the new video of your interested courses. Like, subscribe, and comment, guys. Thanks for your watching. See you, guys.